Hi, and welcome to our studio. We are currently full-time teachers and artists living in Stetsonville, Wisconsin. We specialize in painting, pottery, photography, and woodworking. YouTube is new to us, so we hope you enjoy our videos as we make them. Feel free to look around and enjoy yourselves. So, this is what an artist does, huh? Okay, good to know. Making a display rack, foldable display rack for pottery shelves today. I'll show you what you need because you might not know. I don't know what to do. This is new to us. We're trying to video. I have a hard time looking into the camera. It's our first video. Chances are it's going to be a colossal train wreck. Nobody's going to watch it. I'm going to die lonely and penniless behind a dumpster of a bowling alley because I'm a failure. People like me. Another thing you might want to get is nice clamps. Clamps are your friends because they give you octopus hands. You only have two, so if you have clamps, you can hold a great many things. Whenever I go to town or if there's an auction, I get myself some clamps because like Norm Abrams says, you can never have enough clamps. What you're going to see is a lot of things that we do. We don't know what we're doing yet. We're trying to figure it out. It might be entertaining to you. It's entertaining to us. We're scared to put this out. I'm blinking a lot. My voice has lots of inflections on it. I can't sit still. I'm kind of hunched over. I don't know how I look like in a camera. I really don't want to watch this on a computer. I don't want to watch myself at all. But we're trying it out. So here you go. Stuff we do. Art. Here's something I forgot to talk about. When you want screws, you want these kind of screws. Torx head screw, not Phillips. If you don't know what a Phillips is, this is a Phillips. These are terrible. Don't use these. They are junk. You want Torx head. They don't slip. They cost the same amount. You just need a special driver for them. That's the Torx head driver. It looks like a little star, but they work super duper well. That's what you want when you put anything together. So when we look at the joints on this guy, I have a nice, if we can get it to focus, please, for the love of God, focus. But there is a Torx head screw in there. So wherever there is a structural member, I have a nice Torx head screw, and it slips nice in, well, screwed that up. It fits in nice. And that's what you want. Today we're putting on hinges, and those just come with regular Phillips. So eventually this is going to turn into something pretty cool. Here is the finished pottery shelving unit. Completely collapsible, made out of oak. 6 feet wide. Maybe. Yeah. 6 feet tall, maybe 4 feet wide. But this is what we built. Looks nice. Yeah, you betcha, Derry. This is hard. Why would we want to do this? No idea. Even a kitty's left me. I have no one. We do lots of stuff, like woodworking, pottery, photography. There I go darting again, trying to figure out what I do with my life. And woodwork. No, I said woodworking. Woodworking, photography, pottery, and painting. So you're going to see a lot of stuff. Trying to get my wife in some of these videos. She's the painter and the potter. Fantastic woman. Doesn't like being in the camera. Doesn't like being watched. Doesn't like performing in front of people. Irish, I guess. So how's being an artist today, dear?
Good.
Getting anything done?
Yeah.
Things. Hooray. Awkward. Hello, Kara, my old friend. You're doing pottery again. Is that handle you put on a cup? Do I talk too much so I should shut up? This video is pretty boring for us all. But that is all. With the sounds of exasperation.
I'm sighing.
I'm sighing. Sorry. What is it? The Utrecht. So if any artists out there are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, biggest thing I've learned so far through this is practice. I mean, look how many times my bandana changed. My shirt, not so much. It's clean, but my bandana changed. So those are all different days. So I think I spent 3-4 days on this maybe. Some of the clips you see, a lot more. I'm so bad at this. Biggest thing is practice. You can't speak in front of a camera enough. My wife and I were both professional teachers. We practice in front of kids every day. We have anywhere from 90 to 100 people we talk to a day. And that's easy for us. But the minute we get in front of a camera, it's just, don't know how to talk in front of a camera. It's like a caveman that just discovered fire and just, and grunts like, yay, artists with camera and technology, yay. But, you know, but yes, practice. You need to practice. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know what you've learned. I've learned stuff. It's just, I'm getting better. It's really, really hard. The cats keep staring at me every time I do this. They think I'm crazy. Maybe a little bit. But if I could give you any bit of advice, if you want to start a YouTube channel and you're an artist, an awkward artist, an introvert awkward artist, more specifically, it's practice. Look into the camera. Don't look at the screen, which is, So if you could do anything, get yourself a kitty buddy to help you perform in front of a camera. It helps out a lot, especially one named Butters. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Get ready for the And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and how awkward it can be the first time you ever do a YouTube video, or talk in front of a camera, or find out you're talking too fast, or looking in the wrong place. See you in the next one.